Because while we are talking, every Indian science is one and same, every people are talking of the same thing, but they are not going into the essence or the crux. That is the problem with the Indian sciences now. Because everybody is talking of the the physical thing, and some people are talking of the mental or the psychotic level also. Some people will come in one science. For example, I will talk, many people are talking of yoga, and the yoga is only established as the yoga shastra or the yogasanas, not the real yoga. So when you are going beyond, some people are talking of the pranayama, maybe some meditation, only at that level they are going. Beyond that, something is there. So that is the crux of that yoga shastra. Like that in Ayurveda, in yoga shastra, in Vastu Vidya, in Natya shastra, Sangeeta shastra, Tantra shastra, in Jyotisha, the superficial things are discussed elsewhere, everywhere. Everybody is talking of the, because it is very easy to discuss, but when we are going beyond the physical frontiers, you will go to the mental or the psychotic frontiers, then a particular time or boundary, a frontier will come that where you cannot go beyond it. Only a practitioner can go beyond that. So this is the question we have to answer by this. So in Ayurveda it is told, the Sushruta Samhita, in Sushruta Samhita it is told, the great surgeon, Indian surgeon, he is told that Ekam Shastra Madhyano Na Vidyal Shastra Nischayam. Just by understanding one science, you cannot be the master of that science. In a way, when I am talking the same thing, when I am putting in some other words, you will understand. Sushruta is telling that by reading, by understanding Sushruta Samhita, you are not understood Sushruta Samhita. That is a simple way I can put it. So just by reading, just by understanding one science, you cannot be the master of that science. You can be a learner, a graduate you can be, but you cannot be the master of that one. So the important thing is, when you are going beyond every Indian sciences, as I told, the Yoga Shastra, Sangeeta Shastra, Vastu Shastra, when you are going beyond it, when you are concentrating at a point, there you can feel that every Indian science is one and same. It is not similar, it is one and same. At that level, you will feel that the contradictions, the controversies are no more. At that level, you can feel that Ekam Shastra Madhyano Na Vidyal Shastra Nachayam. That's why we are trying to establish that we are not only concentrating on the Ayurveda to get the Ayurvedic logic in perfect way, in the physical or the psychotical, or I can tell that even beyond the psychotic level, the spiritual level, the Ayurveda should be understood. Then only you can use that particular, the special Ayurveda, the true Ayurveda. I am talking not special Ayurveda, the true Ayurveda can be understood only at the level of spiritual things. So all Indian sciences are talking of Advaita. Advaita means non-dual state. The non-dual state of Ayurveda is also there, the non-dual state of Yoga is there, the non-dual state of Vastu is also there, the non-dual state of Sangeeta Shastra is also there. So when you are establishing with one science, when you are establishing a non-dual state, when you are experiencing the real crux or the truth, then you can understand every Indian sciences well, very well you can understand. If you are not the master of any science, it is very difficult to understand any other Indian sciences. So be a man, a scientist, a researcher to experience the truth of any one of the Indian sciences, so that you can understand every other Indian sciences. So we are creating a platform for all the people, all the scientists and researchers and students and all the humanitarian peoples to understand the essence of Indian sciences, so that you can understand every other Indian sciences without any controversy.